extra contact lenses, you know, and yeah, and you know, like, and like we weren't trying to offend anyone, and like, there was that white guy from Minnesota, or I don't know, the radio, whatever thing, and like they were like singing about like how Hmong girls like have a lot of kids, and I was like really mad at first, like I was really offended, but like after a while I kind of thought it was funny, and I guess like it was just all for fun, and me and my sister just won it, and I just want to say sorry to everyone, and and yeah, but I just want to say sorry, and I don't think Hmong girls are permanently ugly, I think that they're all actually really pretty,